you go to settings, you go to domains, and then you have two options. So you either can get a domain, so that means you would be buying the domain through Squarespace. Every Squarespace site, if you buy a year subscription, you get a free year domain. So I definitely recommend doing that if you're balling on a budget. Or if you already own the domain, then you would go here. So to use a domain that you own, you would just follow the instructions. Let's see what happens. I already own that domain. And then it will take you to some options. So you either transfer this domain to Squarespace, meaning they will be the owner of the domain and you will rent it, or you can connect the domain. So say it's you bought it through GoDaddy and you want it to stay with GoDaddy. So you want to be able to pay GoDaddy for your domain. Your domain, if you don't know, is your URL. So the www.nicolepaulos.com is my domain. So I own that or I'm renting that domain. And actually it is through Squarespace. Or actually it might be, no, it's actually through GoDaddy. So because my domain is already taken, it gives you this instruction. It's already associated with the Squarespace site to move this domain, follow these instructions. But hopefully most of you will be choosing this get a domain option instead. I think that's much easier. If you're having trouble, or if you've already bought your domain from another place like GoDaddy and you want to connect it to your current Squarespace website and you are confused, hit me up, let me know, send me an email, and I will try to walk you through the process because it can be confusing. But if you are just choosing a new domain, then you would get a new domain, and then you would search. So it knows that my site is called Kids Play Mindful, or Kids Play. Yeah, I'm not even sure. It's the template that I created for my nonprofits. So it gives you some options here, or you can search for a domain that you have in mind. So Kids Play First. Let's try that one. So Kids Play First is unavailable. So it looks like it's unavailable in a lot of different iterations. If I wanted the .me, that's available. .net, .com, it actually is available. So kidsplayfirst.com is available. So then I would just click that button and then it would take me to the page where I would register it. And then it's super easy through Squarespace. Like everything is already integrated. So you just follow the prompts, you put in your information here so that you register it, and then, yeah, and that's it.